So what you can also do is you can go around and curve the text along path inside of GIMP. So to do that, I'm going to go around and take this text tool right here, just like this, and I'm just going to draw a text box right here and type in 222 right here, just like this. So this is center aligned, as you can see right here, and this is my text box right here. Nothing more needs to be done right here. So now what I need to do is I need to draw a path. So for that, I'm going to take this tool and then simply draw out a path that I want the text to be curved into. So I'm just going to go around and draw this in right here. And there you go, there's this path right here that I can enable. So now all I need to do is I need to go around and make sure that the text is selected, the path is selected right here in the path section right here. If you don't see the path right here, then what you can simply do is you can access it from here, or you can go around onto Windows right here and dockable dialogues and see the path from over there as well. Make sure the path is selected right here. So I just go around and we'll bring it out right here, just like this. Let me just go around and pull this out so that I can see the path and layer at the same time. So now what I can do is I can right click on the text layer, and then I can go around and choose text long path right here. So once you do that, you can see that the text is in the path right here, just like this, and it is in the form of path itself. So let me just go around and hide this particular layer right here and hide this particular layer as well, and you can see that this is the layer that I have. Let me just go around and create another layer right here for the path to be filled in. So now you can see the path right here, but it's not filled in. You need to go around and then transform it. So let's just go around and rotate this out right here, just like this. Or maybe I want to go around and scale this out as well. So let's just go around onto path right here and scale the path out right here, just like this. And then let me just go around and rotate this out over here, just like this as well. So that is what you have. As you can see right here, you got the unified tool right here as well. So that is what you have for the path. So let's just go around for the path, and this is what you have. So now this is the curved path that I have right here. So now I want to go around and fill this out with a color. So I'm just going to go around, select out the color that I want to fill it out with right here, press OK, and I'm going to go around and right click on the path and then go around onto fill path right here, just like this. You can choose solid color, or you can choose a pattern over here as well. Let me just choose solid color and fill it out, and it fills it out with the color. You can also go around and then fill it out right here. So I'm just going to go around and fill the path or stroke the path now, and in the stroke the path you can go around, choose different type of paintbrushes right here and stroke it out as well. So now you can see that this is what you have, but I don't want to go around and do that. So let's just go around over here onto stroke type right here, just like this, and you can see that this is what you have. So you can go around through stroke lines. So let's just go around and select out, let's say 2 pixels only, and then go around for stroke right here. So there's only 2 pixels of width right here. So this is what you have, as you can see. And if I were to disable it, you can see the text path right here with the stroke as well of 2 pixels, as you can see, with a little bit of style around it, as you can see right here. And that is how you can go around and stroke out the path right here. So that is how you can go around and then curve out the text along path and then fill it out with color, because the text gets converted into path inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.